This digital caliper has so many features built into it. Just real quick before we get into that, some of the things that come with it. You have a hard shell carrying case for this to fit in. It comes with a metal ruler, and it also comes with a thickness gauge, which has different thicknesses on here, and we will get into that as well. Now, the caliper itself can be used in several different ways. When you first get it, to turn it on, you'll just have to plug it in with the USB-C just for 1 second, just for it to turn on for the first time, and then you're good to go. Also, side note, charging this just for a matter of minutes, and then you'll be good for months on end without needing to charge it again. Now, some of the features and different ways to go about measuring. You've got your thumb wheel here to be able to slide it up and down. You can, of course, zero it at any time, whether it's all the way at the end or at any point. Now you can measure the outside thickness here so that you can see exact thickness, and you can even use the locking wheel to lock it in place so that it doesn't move and so that you're not able to be scrolling and the number stays consistent. You can change it from millimeters to inches to fractions. So that was 1/4 inch or 6.29 millimeters or 0.2 inches. Now I can loosen the locking wheel up top. So that is for outside thickness. Now I'm going to close this back up. You can also measure inside thickness. So if I want to know how thick, how wide it is on the inside of this nut, I can put that here and use my thumb wheel. And there we go. It is 0.1995 inches or 13/64 inches or 5.07 millimeters of the thickness of the inside here. So that is how the inside tool works up here. Now you can also measure depth of something with this piece at the very end. So again, I'm using the thumb wheel, and this piece will come out of the bottom here so that you can insert this from here, and you can have it go down and measure the depth of something. So maybe you have a container or something you need to measure the depth of, or something below the surface where you can't have the caliper reach. So that adds a whole nother way to measure. You can also have the step measurement here as well. Now, if you wanted to make sure that it is properly calibrated, you even have this thickness gauge ranging of all different thicknesses from 0.88 millimeters all the way to 0.8 millimeters. So a very wide, I mean, just look how many gauges there are here. So 0.8 millimeters just to show it is calibrated. So I've got this at 0, it's zeroed, and I'm going to measure this here. And if I stop moving it, that'd be great. 0.8 millimeters, there we go. So that is perfect, right where we're at. I would, in this case, I would use the locking wheel here because my thumb is not staying still right now. But anyway, we have it right at 0.8 exactly. There we go, because this thickness gauge is 0.8 millimeters. So this is just an extra way, or if you needed to have this up to something to be able to check it and compare things. But this is just an amazing way to get an extremely accurate measurement on precise items, along with the built-in ruler on here as well. So many different ways to use this. And again, one charge on here is going to last you months and months on end. I am thoroughly impressed by this digital caliper. Highly, highly recommend this. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.